for? Who we gonna yell for? Mungo, number one O. Mungo, number one O.
Oh, getting up early's bad enough. Knock off the noise.
How you feel today, kid? Feel good?
Good. Yeah. Feel good.
Tomorrow's the Catlympics. You gotta be ready to defend your title. Gotta be tough.
Tough. Yeah. Gotta be tough.
Knock it off! Knock it off! Stop! I ought to bop your head so hard you have to pull down your socks to see.
Yeah, bop. Yeah, bop hard.
Come on, you carrot brains. Let's practice harder for the Catlympic events. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
This year, we're gonna win, and that big lollipop won't know what hit him.
Ready for the agony of defeat in the Catlympics tomorrow, Louie?
You've got a big mouth for the runt of the litter.
Yeah? Well, listen up, Furface. No cat around can beat Mungo, not even in one event.
Wanna bet?
Sure. Put your cat food where your mouth is.
We take over the junkyard, or you get this.
Like taking card from a kitten. It's a bet. 1, 2, 1, 2. Winning this bet's up to you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Winning this bet's up to you.
What if I lose the Catlympics to Mungo, boss? I always do.
We only gotta win one event, remember? And the last event's gonna be a big surprise for them.
I declare the opening of the Catlympics. First, tree climbing. Your first, Runt.
Relax, you can do it. The junkyard is ours. Now, go on. Faster, faster, you lazy cat.
Louie! Help! I can't climb down.
But we can't hold up the games anymore. Suggestion, Mungo, begin your climb. Contestant number 2, you're eliminated.
Okay, champ. One cat's eliminated. Time for the next one to bite the dust.
Yeah, dust. Yeah, bite dust.
If we can't beat him fair, we'll cheat. Just manage to jump the water. When it's Mungo's turn, this grease ought to make for a slip-up.
Time for water avoiding. Cat with the lowest scores out of the Catlympics. to vault. Lowest scores out of the competition.
Now, we got Mungo's pole, and he's got our special rubber model. That should give some bounce to his ball.
Yeah, it's heavy. I'm not sure if I can handle it.
Okay, Runt, I'm counting on you.
Up and over, right, champ?
Yeah, up. Yeah. Over.
Yeah, that's it.
Now, weightlifting is ours. This ought to put a cramp in his muscles.
Go to it, Mungo. I can almost taste that fish already.
Come on, you gotta get it up, or we can't use our secret weapon.
We will hold a boxing match with the two remaining contestants, Mungo and Runt. The winner of this match will be the victor of the Catlympics.
Yeah, that's it, Mungo. You'll be the champ.
Let's get the secret weapon ready.
They must have chickened out before the fight. Guess all that fish is ours.
Yeah, no, here they come. What?
Cat's that? So, Runt looks a little bigger with boxing gloves on. You'll pulverize that chump. Go, Mungo, go! He's scared now. Now's the chance, Mungo. He's getting tired. You can't lose, champ, or we all lose the junkyard.
Yeah, can't lose. Yeah, can't lose.
Yay, way to go!
It's rigged. That's not Runt.
Hey, those guys are running away!
Well, you earned this, Mungo. Go ahead. Dive in. Dive in. Way to go, Mungo. Way to go, Mungo. Way to go, Mungo. Way to go, Mungo.
Yeah, way to go. Yeah, way to go.